Okay. Hello, this is Craig Mitchell. I'm here today with Ed and Georgine Goulart. They live over here off of Humphrey Road in Loomis, California. I did a reverse mortgage for them about 6 months ago, was it now?
Right.
About 6 months ago. Ed was born in *37 and trains hunting dogs. You train just short-haired Brittany's or all types of Brittany's?
Brittany's and short hairs.
Brittany's and short-hairs. And Georgine is a retired bank supervisor.
Yes.
And loves to play bridge every Tuesday and Thursday.
Yes.
So
And every other day.
And every other day. So how are you guys doing today?
Good.
We're doing fine.
Oh, that's good. I just got a few questions for you. Let's see, to start off, can you briefly, I guess, explain why it is you got the reverse mortgage?
Financial freedom.
Financial freedom? Okay.
Really,
Yeah.
really. No.
Seeing the picture on the wall, as far as what the future was doing, we weren't going to be able to do anything other than just basically make a house payment and live here. Not even go places, do anything.
Okay.
Prices going up and up and up.
And I would not be able to train dogs forever. I'm still doing it, but we're getting old, so.
Right.
It's pretty nice. No payments whatsoever.
Right.
And besides, you're paying us.
Right. You get the money.
The reverse mortgage is paying us.
Right.
So I think it was a
We didn't do it.
$3,000, $4,000 turnaround. From $2,000 a month payments to making $1,500 or something. So that's a big difference.
Right. Okay. Well, now that you've had it for about 6 months, what would you say is the main benefit you've gotten out of it?
No worries
No worries.
about how we're going to make the house payment.
Okay. So kind of peace of mind.
Peace of mind.
And we can afford a tank of gas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's really important
Right.
if you want to go, and we like to go all over, so.
Okay.
The gas, it's just everything. It's like saving money instead of worrying about where you're going to get your next payment.
Right.
And we have none of that kind of problem anymore.
Okay. See, next question. How many loan officers would you guys say you've dealt with over your lifetime, like, for getting home loans? Quite a few?
Like 10, 12, I don't know.
You think? Not really, we've only owned 2 houses.
Yeah, but I owned like 4 before I knew you.
Oh,
Or 5.
okay. I was going to say, I haven't dealt with very many.
Okay. Well, do you recall, and you may not have, but do you ever recall being ever frustrated or dissatisfied with any previous experiences?
I wasn't.
Not really, but worried sometimes about if this is going to go through or that's going to go through or
Okay.
something, because you don't exactly know where you're at, especially if you're dealing with somebody you don't know.
Right. Okay. Let's see, so let's scratch that one. All right. If you had a good friend or family member that needed a reverse mortgage, would you feel comfortable referring them to me?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
No,
Yeah.
see
question.
him,
Okay.
because he really took care of us, period.
Okay. Well, if you were to refer me to, like, let's say a friend or someone, what exactly would you tell them about me?
I would tell them, first of all, that you're very pleasant and you didn't push us into anything. You explained everything.
Very well.
And whenever we had a question, you were always available to answer it. And you went above and beyond, even making other phone calls to find, if you didn't know the answer, you found out for us and called us back. And you've been really helpful on when we had a question. It was always, Craig was there with the answer. So I think that would be the main thing. That,
Okay.
you stuck with us. You just didn't sign us up and say bye.
Right.
You know, it was like we could always call you. We can still call you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe.
No, I mean we felt comfortable in
We
saying,
believe we can still come.
Craig,
You can.
Craig,
Okay.
we need to. Is this the way it should be? And Craig would, say, well, okay,
Mm-hmm.
So I just felt comfortable that if anybody, I would recommend you to any of my friends.
Okay. Okay,
for
well,
sure.
I appreciate that. Let's see here. I think this was the main, actually, well, one, I guess, is there anything else in particular you can think about that you enjoyed working with me, or anything that was important to you?
Just that you explained things clearly to us. That we
That was
had a
the
lot
main
of
thing.
misconceptions about reverse mortgage,
Mhm.
especially Ed thought a lot of things that weren't true, and that you,
Then I talked to some attorney friends and stuff,
Mhm.
they were way off base with the way it works.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But
well, there's a lot of
they're like
misconceptions.
Scrooges, you know, so they think you're getting a bad deal in the end,
Mm-hmm.
you know, about, well, you don't have the house anymore, you don't have this, you do. This is, the amount of this loan will never change.
Right.
If I live till 120, I really got a good deal.
Right.
Because it only goes so far, and that's all the kids have to pay to get it back.
Right.
Yeah, so I don't see that you're losing anything.
Okay.
You know, besides, we have to take care of ourselves.
Right.
I don't see anybody coming to take care of us. So this way, no matter what happens, we'll die here.
Okay.
End of story.
Yeah, I think that was about it, unless there's anything else you want to add.
It's good for me.
You did a good job, and that's all there is.
Okay,
to
well,
it.
thank you very much. All right, well, that's it then. I'll stop the tape there.